Okay, the Dow was just down 1 point a second ago. So everybody stay here. Keep one eye on us right here and the other on the little bug here. Black Friday, 16 days away. And before you hit the mall for your shopping holiday, one fund manager says online is the way to go. And we're not talking about online shopping. Online security. Steve Dudash, $2 billion under management, says get rid of the big box names from your portfolio and instead look at not cyber online stocks, but cybersecurity stocks, not shopping. IHT Wealth Management President Steve Dudash with the big idea. Not online shopping sites, but you say go right into the cybersecurity sites.
We're trying to find areas that are less likely to be affected by the tax bill changes. The tax bill is not going to get passed. I know you were talking about it before. 0% chance of this being passed.
Wait. Zero?
There's 99%. There's no way that this current bill is going to get passed just because the politics that go into it, they're going to change it.
Okay.
So maybe 90% chance that nothing happens, 10% chance something does. What we're trying to do is invest in things that are agnostic to that. It doesn't matter if the tax bill passes or not right now. Online security is only growing. We did a little mini poll in your back room.
The Dow just turned positive, everybody.
There we go. Nice.
I told you. Watch.
Keep an eye on it. With the producers in your back room, none of them 5 to 10 years ago were doing online buying. Now they're all doing online buying, and you need security to do that. 10 years ago, you didn't feel comfortable doing it for the most part.
So which names?
Well, okay, don't pick all of them, okay, because there's going to be some winners and losers. But right now, picking across the board is your best bet because there will be multiple winners and losers. Just like the techs 15, 20 years ago, you wanted 10 or 15 of them, and there was 100 of them out there, so you don't buy into the ETFs. The point here, though, is buy into things that are not going to be affected by the tax bill, and then you run away from the retails, the Sears, the Nordstroms, you know, the things out there right now that you have to go into to be in.
All right, so just for people who are interested in knowing cybersecurity stocks, Palo Alto, Akamai Technology, Symantec, some of the big names out there. Steve, awesome, and you get to watch it right here. It is a nail biter, but right now it looks like a record close with the Dow making a run for the border, up 6 points in the green right now. We'll see how it settles. I'll see you tomorrow.